Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to teach you how to make this beautiful pouch purse. Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful pouch purse. Alright, so this is my material. You're to cut a 10 by 13.5 inches leather material, or any material you want to use. 10" by 13.5. all right, the next thing you need to make this beautiful purse is your zipper, your zip cloth, and your zip head. So these are the three things you need to make this purse. All right, so I'll be cutting this into two. This same material, I'll cut it into two equal parts. Then I'll sew it. I'll sew the cut part. Make sure it's very firm. So the next thing I will do is to fix my zip cloth. Now you are to shear the zip. You are not putting it at once. This is what I'll do. I'll remove it this way. Okay, so I'll turn it like this, fold this, and then start sewing. Make sure it's very firm. Alright, so we are done with this part. Cut the excess zip. Okay. I have this. The next thing is to fix my zip head. Now I'll pick this, the other side, into the hole and then draw it gently. I've been able to fix it. Alright, so the next thing is you fold it inside out, and then so make sure that the zip head is not make sure you tap it well. Alright, the next thing is this part. Make sure they are equal. We are almost there. So the next thing you to do is, now I have this. Open this side to give you a V shape. Sew a little part of it. Let's say 1 to 2 inches. come to this other side, open it up, still do it likewise, do the same thing you've done to the other side. So make sure it's very firm. So let me sew it again to ensure that it's very doesn't lose. Alright, so the next thing is cut off the excess part. Cut off this excess part, and then my purse is ready. Let me turn it over to see what we have. So you open it up, you turn it over gently, and use your hand to remove it. So push this one inside. See what I have? I come to this other side as well. So the shape. Put this one inside. Oh, let me see. Yeah. So this is my purse. Yeah, so you can always do it by yourself. So you can use it. Thanks for watching. For more videos, you can visit my channel.